Congratulations! Let's review the proper use and care of your Sirena. Box contents include the Sirena System, water basin, dolly, one curved wand, one non-electrical extension wand, the wet pickup hose, floor brush, crevice tool, a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, an inflation tool, and the separator brush with wrench. The power nozzle box. This includes the power nozzle, electrical extension wand, and the electric hose. How to use your Sirena. Begin by filling the basin. Add water only to the minimum fill line. Next, add optional scents or our Ocean Breeze deodorizer. Remember, the last one in is the last one out. Now, place the Sirena on the basin. Attach the two pieces with the clamps as shown. And you're ready to go. To attach the system to the dolly, you must line up the slot on the dolly with the tab on your Sirena. Simply slide the Sirena until you hear a click, and now it's locked in place. It may be removed by depressing the foot pedal on the rear. Sirena has two speeds, high speed for maximum cleaning and quiet mode for air cleaning. Power nozzle assembly. Start by attaching the electric extension wand to the power nozzle. It will make a clicking sound when correctly in place. Next, lock the wand upright and insert the electrical wire as shown. Be sure to leave extra wire on top so that you may extend the wand. There is a button on the electric hose. When correctly inserted, this will lock the handle to the wand. Now, plug the electric wire to the handle, and the power nozzle is trigger activated for ease of use. To attach the power nozzle, remove the noise reduction cover. Notice the sliding door. Prongs must be inserted by lifting the sliding door. Now, you may adjust the handle as well as the carpet height as required. Wet pickup. We only use the wet hose for wet pickup. Start with an empty basin, attach the hose, and next the curved wand. Now align the button and groove and slide the upholstery tool on. Remove the brushes for increased efficiency. Sirena tools. All tools may be attached to any wand. Simply slide and turn to lock. Remove by depressing the button. All the tools may be used this way. For extended reach, attach the extendable wand. The wand may be adjusted as required. All tools fit on the extendable wand as well. Extending your reach. To extend your reach, you may combine the extendable wands. Simply lock them together, extend as required, and now you have over a 12-foot reach. All the tools may be conveniently stored on the dolly for ease of access. And now, all the tools are within easy reach. The inflation tool. To use this tool, start with the wet pickup hose. Remove the HEPA cover and attach the hose to the exhaust. Place the inflation tool on the curved wand, and now you're ready to inflate. Basin maintenance. Your basin should be cleaned after each use. Empty the basin and use a mild detergent and soft cloth or paper towel. Simply wipe and rinse. Never store your Sirena on the basin when not in use. Periodic wiping of all surfaces is highly recommended. Remove the onboard separator tool as shown. Loosen the lock nut and remove the separator. Clean the separator with the brush provided. To reinsert, align the slot on the separator with the tab on the pin. Replace the nut and be careful not to over-tighten. Now store the tool back on board. To dry the wet hose, attach the hose to the intake. Remove the HEPA cover. Insert the wand and turn the Sirena on for as long as required. HEPA maintenance. To rinse your HEPA filter, start by removing the HEPA cover. Next, remove the 3 retaining screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver to do this. Once removed, rinse as indicated in your owner's manual and allow at least 24 hours to dry. Your HEPA should be replaced every 12 to 24 months or as required. Cord storage is made simple by wrapping it as indicated. When done, the plug may be conveniently clipped to the cord. To remove debris or replace a belt, simply squeeze the tabs and remove the base plate. Remove the beater bar as shown. Now, remove any debris from the beater bar. An extra belt is provided with your Sirena and is stored where shown. To reassemble the power nozzle, insert the beater bar in the direction shown. Lift the belt, position the bar, and slide into place. The bar will spin freely when correctly inserted. Now simply replace the base. Congratulations on the ownership of your new Sirena. Enjoy it in great health.